Hey everyone, are you looking for an Amazon FBA Wholesale virtual assistant at high demand and low competition products for your brand with verified supplier information and unique ideas? Now, well, I am Jamal Haider here to assist you with the solutions. I am a FBA Wholesale expert in Amazon. I have a broad experience in dealing with Amazon accounts and product research. I can work on building relationships with many suppliers and finding those winning products, getting the best possible price on this item, help you place the order and getting track and sending to Amazon. And also I cover the all orders and making sure that you are winning the buy box. And I have 1 year experience of in this field. In addition to complete your responsibilities, I will also help you reach your objectives by providing strategic advice and consulting. Now you are in the right place. I will find winning products for you in order to make your FBA wholesale journey successful and profitable through advanced product research techniques. So if you are interested, then contact me without any hesitation. Best regards, Jamal.